Hi guys, how are you all doing? This is a quick update. I'm going to literally try to get it done as fast as I can to get it uploaded in time for New York Open. So what I'm looking at today is an update on our stream from Monday the 6th of February, which was last Monday, where we were looking for this short position on Just Eat. Now, I do think it's important for anyone out there that's trading that you don't just stick to crypto. You know, there's so many other opportunities in other markets, such as individual stocks or precious metals, forex, whatever it may be. It's a good thing to kind of diversify your watch list, or at least chart these assets so you can try get into the swing of the way that they move. Last week what we were looking for was the short position on Just Eat. We're going to have a quick look at how that moved, the levels that we've hit, and what we're going to look at into coming hours, days and weeks, and try come up with a plan now that we've hit our take profit 1 from last week. Okay, so just a quick summary. We've been putting in this range since May on Just Eat. We put in a range low, put in a range high. We then made our way back down, swing of the range lows for a move up of 85%, where we took our profits at the range highs. We then built into the plan that we were coming up to take these yearly pivots, and we did have quarterly pivots below, which gave just gave us a little bit of context for that short position down. Now, if I turn off these pivots, so far you can see we have reached take profit 1, and now we need to see, okay, is this going to break back up and start to move up out of this range, or do we have an area that we can potentially compound our positions? So we took our profits down here. Can we add back on to that short position, and do we have any levels to look to? Is this still valid? So, this could be just a higher low, but we still have those quarterly pivots down here, which still leads me to believe that we can come down for another leg at least. So let's have a quick look. So we took profits right here at this previous range point of control, which I'll show you now, which was 1889, and now we need to see what we're going to do. Okay, so if we look at it up here, we had this volume imbalance. Okay, the gap between the candle bodies, where we came up one day, wicked into it, and we've made our way down so far from there. We now have printed another one of these here. Okay, so I'm going to mark that one out. Volume imbalance. Gonna remove this one. Take a fib from this last high, and the 618 is coming in on that range high. So we would, if we were to come back, we would have a fill of that volume imbalance, a range high or 618. We're starting to build some confluence up here, and then the fact that we have those quarterly pivots below, you would like to see, like, we're in this range, yes, since May, but wouldn't you like to see, if we were going to leave this range, you would like to see at least take out those quarterly pivots and then make your way out. Now, with that said, you could literally just break out now. That is also on the cards, but what I'd be looking for coming into the days and weeks ahead would be this area up here. So I'm going to set an alert, because we do have the potential of a compound position up here at the highs. I'm going to take a quick volume pull. You do have a value area high coming in on the 702. And you also have this high volume node. So it is a region up here. So alerts are set. We've taken our profits off the table. So this trade, I don't care. Do we come up and get stopped out? At least we're in profit. But we're still looking for that potential leg to the downside. So with that said, Now remember, this is all paper trades only. I would wait to see what price does when it comes back up here. Should it get back up here, I would like to see come up. I would like to see a strong rejection. I'll be watching volume on a low time frame on this, and based off the reaction, then we can see where our entries are. But the first area that I'm going to look at is the low of this. The low of this volume imbalance here. And this could be a great area to compound those positions to take it down to lower prices. So again, we don't know where we're going to set the stop losses just yet. We're going to have to leave it breathe a little, give a little bit more time. And again, just looking to trade that down to the quarterly pivots, which will be roughly a 22.5% move. So that could be nice. Don't forget also, guys, to come over. You know, there's a lot of people asking, what do you guys do over the Pro Traders Lounge? Who's over there? Who are the Pro Traders? You just come over to our website, have a quick scroll down, and you can see some old familiar faces here. Your friendly neighborhood traders. A lot of people have wondered where we've all been. Well, now you know. So with that said, I'm going to cut this short so we can get it uploaded for New York Open. And let's see what Just Eat does over the next few hours, days and weeks, as we could potentially have a full rotation down to the low of this range. On the other hand, should we see a sign of strength here, what would we like to see? Well, obviously, first sign of strength is to make our way up and get back above that range. Where at that point, you know, you're obviously going to be out of your short positions and you're going to be looking to get back into a long position up here, add on to your long positions from lower. So, you know, you can't be stuck to one plan. So should we get back above that range and hold, yeah, we can look for long positions. But now I think this short plan is still valid. And with that said, let's see what the rest of the week brings. Guys, take it easy and I'll chat to you all soon.